Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating resurrection of a nearly forgotten audio format, ZZM. It's a wild ride, folks.
ZZM? Sounds intriguing. I've never heard of it. What's the story?
It's tied to ZZT, a text mode game from 1990. Think incredibly basic, but incredibly influential. ZZT used the PC speaker for its sound, and ZZM was a format created to play those simple tunes outside the game itself. The problem? All existing players needed MS-DOS.
So, a dead format. Until now? What's the revival all about?
Exactly. The author, Nicole Brannigan, decided to create a JavaScript-based player. A bold move, considering the original's limitations. She's essentially bridging a huge technological gap.
JavaScript? That's unexpected. Why JavaScript for something so retro?
Well, it's ubiquitous, readily available in browsers, and it lets her reach a much wider audience than a DOS-based player ever could. It's a brilliant choice for accessibility, you know? Plus, it's a fun challenge.
I see. So how did she actually recreate the sound? Did she just use samples?
Not quite. She had to reverse engineer the entire process. She used ASCII's reconstruction of the ZZT source code, a monumental achievement in itself, to understand how ZZT generated its square wave sounds using the PC speaker's programmable interval timer. Then, she used the Web Audio API to generate those same square waves in JavaScript.
Wow, that's some serious reverse engineering. So it's not just a simple conversion, it's a recreation of the original sound engine?
Precisely. She even recreated the frequency table, which is slightly off from modern tuning, giving it that unique retro sound. It's amazing the level of detail she went into.
And the drums? The article mentions some quirks with the drums. How did she handle those?
Ah yes, the drums. They're generated by playing a series of single frequencies in quick succession. The original ZZT code uses a random number generator, and Nicole tried to replicate that using JavaScript's math.random. She even notes that the quirks in the sound might be due to differences between Turbo Pascal's random number generator and JavaScript's.
That's a really interesting detail. It highlights how even seemingly simple things can have unexpected nuances when you try to perfectly replicate them across different systems and programming languages. It's a testament to the author's dedication to accuracy.
Absolutely. It's not just about getting the music to play. It's about capturing the essence of the original ZZT sound. The article even includes audio comparisons between her JavaScript player and the original DOS-based player, highlighting the subtle differences and similarities. It's a truly impressive feat of technical skill and historical preservation.
This is fascinating. So where can people find this JavaScript ZZM player and learn more?
The article includes links to the GitHub repository with the code, so you can check it out and even contribute. It's a great example of how passion for retro technology can lead to innovative solutions and a revival of almost lost artifacts. It's truly inspiring.
Definitely. Thanks for sharing this amazing story. It's a great example of how seemingly insignificant things from the past can still hold a lot of value and fascination today.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.